Good morning, Suzanne. Kathy's at the coast with a friend for a couple of days, so I'm up early, real early, 4 o'clock. Anyway, you asked here about a profile and how to get her profile photo and figure out how to put it in her website, her particular website, your friend's website. That's kind of tricky to do. If we go to here, this is the section of it. And if I right click on this page, I can view the page source. This is the hypertext. This is exactly what the page looks like when you write it up. And if you go down to line 87, it's going to tell you. The source is here. That's it. And all that's going to bring up is the picture. So that's how she plugged the picture in. And then around it, she has, I took my collection of pots, blah, blah, so on and so forth. And that's how they do it. And it's all in hypertext, and it's all in doing a web page. And I don't know who to refer you to other than to say you'll get your best prices to have this done for you, or to her have it done for herself, probably in India, because India does excellent jobs. She'll have to research it and find a web page designer in India, and they tend to do a very good job at a fraction of the cost that designers here want. Or you can just get a hold of Susanne and ask who did hers and pay the price here. But that's it. All of these, if you right click on this, of course, you can copy it and copy where the image came from. So I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to plug it in here. Say paste and go. And it came from here. And what they'll do typically in a web page is they'll make references to other web pages. So in other words, they will build it by referring other pages that they've built. And so they'll always be referencing something from somewhere else. And it makes it a lot easier than trying to do the whole thing. So they can take sections of it and then kind of plug it together. I know that's all kind of confusing, but at any rate, you could always do a page source information and find out exactly how things were done and where they put it. But pages like this are, and of course when she goes on and on and on, page 1, page 2, page 3, so on and so forth. Each page will have its own web page data. So that's how you do it, and that's how they did it. I hope that helps a little bit. I know it's very confusing, but just remember to right click and go to the page source, and that's when it'll blow you away. But there's software that'll do this for you and plug all this stuff in. Most people elect to let it go and just let somebody else do it for them. And like I said, I would say go to the Indians. They do some really good work, and they're cheap. Thanks.